Hello there, ladies and jellyfish. This is Dash Thomas and Mr. Panda Pizza from Elevators of 14S, coming to you from Sector 108D. I'm kind of nervous about doing this. It's up, this is down. This is going to be a lift at the Harrods store. London, England. Oh, this is cool. These look like these would be C.J. Anderson. This is interesting. Here are ground. Ground floor. Look at that. It used to be signal control. You can get a dual indicator. Here at the basement. Otis. So I don't know what this would... Takes a second to open. Apparently that quote doesn't do anything. Look at this though, this is interesting. Takes a second to start up. Here we are at 5. Listen to that chime. 1, 2, 2.5 seconds to...
Doors closing.
I'm gonna get a different one after this. This is cool. Now this is how you modernize a... Nice D-cell on the 4th floor. Going down. Which one you going to?
3rd floor.
3. Here we go.
Doors closing. Doors opening. Doors closing.
I don't think this IIE indicator works anymore. Doesn't look like it does. Directory. Can't really see out much, but this is beautiful. Here's the old signal control thing. I actually think these still work. I'm not gonna touch the light switch, but... This is the lower ground floor. I'm trying to get this one. Look at these car buckets. This is one. Oh, that one works. I actually might be able to get a triple indicator, and that's a first for me. I have never gotten a triple indicator before. We're at 5. Again, look at this. This is interesting. That was not a call for one. We're at the basement. I'm not sure if anyone's filmed these before. That move back with an indicator behind you. That kind of looks like the Gen 2, one of the versions of the Gen 2 indicator, which is kind of interesting. I'm going to switch up on 5. Get a different one of these 6. Again, look at this. I'm going to get a still picture of that. 18 persons.
Doors closing.
Hello.
Doors opening.
I'm gonna wait for that one to go. I'll get a different one. This is amazing. 24 people on this one. It's kind of bigger than the other one. I hate to say it, these are the nicest lifts in this place by an extreme amount. That one gonna go anywhere? You can't get to 6 from here. I'm gonna send that one down, I already got it. Let's go down 1 floor so it's not interrupting anyone.
Doors closing.
Here it goes. Just an O facing. Oh, this is 2-to-1 roping. Look at that call button. See who wants to come first. Look, the shaft light's on in this one. It kind of sounds like the ThyssenKrupp MRLV1 chime. This is the 5th floor?
Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome.
Doors closing.
Look at this. Safety switch, speed control, micro drive, light, reversal. This is the 3rd floor.
Doors open.
Going down?
Yes.
Which one y'all going to?
So,
Ground bubble.
yeah.
Okay.
Doors closing.
Man, these things are amazing.
Yeah.
Two. 2nd floor.
Doors open.
Going down? Which one y'all going to? Ground?
Done. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Doors closing.
Excuse me. And this is the ground.
Doors open.
That was smooth. You're welcome. This is the Gucci level.
Doors closing.
That's why everyone's going here, because Gucci's amazing. Well. Lower ground or basement. I would joyride these, but I have places to be and people to go and whatever. Again, look at this panel.
Closing.
We're at 5.
Doors open.
They seem to have their logic replaced. I want to go to 2.
Doors closing.
But I also kind of wish they still had operators. Other than that, this is something I wish that other places did. Only replace the things that need to be fixed, the buttons, and kept everything else original. Look at those lights. That's gonna go into nudge mode.
Want to zoom in on the Otis part?
Doors closing.
Someone's business card was there. I'm gonna have to do some bleeping out, but that'll be it.